Hello and welcome to Washington State History, the week of October 31st to November 4th. This week you have two quizzes, one due on Tuesday and the other due on Friday. Notice this week we are working in two sections. On Monday and Tuesday you're working in section 1.12 called Labor Movement. And on Wednesday, with your quiz on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday you start 2.15 primary sources with your quiz on Friday. Remember, all work should be complete in your Classkick study guide. This week that study guide is called 2.12. And if you're not happy with your quiz score, either Tuesday or Friday, just email me to request that your completed Classkick study guide be used to replace your quiz attempt. I will go check your work in Classkick and happily reward you full credit for your effort on your quiz if you don't like your one attempt quiz score. So just a reminder, you go to content and scroll down. Mine looks a little different because it's still hidden from you. To 2.12 to find the introduction to your work for the week, as well as the materials throughout the week. So you just scroll down and remember that it only goes to Tuesday, and then you need to switch to 2.15 to find your Wednesday through Friday work. And that is it. Have a fantastic day, and thanks for watching.